know.
Welcome back to Dash for Adventure. Well, we are having an adventure today. So, you know that when you boondock and travel around the country, sometimes you stay at Walmarts. Well, we saw this wicked drone flying a few moments ago. And look at this. We drove around behind the Walmart we stayed at, and they have delivery drones. Look at these drones. These are delivery drones. That's just cool. We'll hang out for a minute and see if one of them takes off. But
they're called zip line.
Zip lines. Paula noticed these advertisements. Check this out. Need fast delivery? Zip it. All part of Walmart. We are just outside of Fort Worth, Texas. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I wish we could see one flying. We did see one coming back for a landing a few moments ago. That's what brought us over here. All right. We're going to the truck wash again. This Blue Beacon actually has a separate lane for RVs. It's the first one we've seen like this in all the Blue Beacons we've been to around the country. But either way, I'm sure the wash is the same. Here we go. Well, something new at this truck wash, they come up to the vehicle like we're at a Chick-fil-A. They ask us the information. We told them what we wanted. We typically get the classic wash, which is with the abrasive chemicals and the brightener. We do not get the tire shine because that stuff just slings all over the vehicle. And actually, she said as of October 13th, they stopped selling the tire shine. So that's really good. They're going to do undercarriage and Rain-X, all for $45.70, and we don't even have to get out of the vehicle. And if you're wondering what the difference between the classic wash and the no brightener wash, there it is. Basically, the classic wash uses chemicals with brightener, etc., and the no brightener wash is a little more organic and takes care of your vehicle a little better. But hey, I want a more abrasive wash. We typically ask them to brush the glass, even though we choose the brightener option that does not require brushing, because when they brush the glass, you can see a lot better. It gets rid of these corner areas that seem to muck up dirt. And there's the trick. If they brush that glass, it's just a little cleaner. Then the Rain-X falls from the ceiling as they do a final rinse and an engine clean. Oh yeah, now that's a clean van. Thanks, Blue Beacon Truck Wash. Van Wash. This van is clean now. So we're going to hang out with family for Thanksgiving. And the last thing you want is family rubbing up and down the sides of the van when it's in the driveway and getting all dirty. So you want to make sure it's clean and be respectful. Check that out, man. That is spotless. All right, we're back on the road now. In Weatherford, Texas, they have 2 lanes for alternative vehicles like smaller trucks, ranch vehicles, flatbeds, vans, RVs, and then on the right, that's for 18-wheelers. That's cool. They must do a lot of traffic here.
Well, it's Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, isn't it?
That's right. Everything's bigger in Texas. Check out this old neighborhood. We're going to see family in Texas, and check out this cool neighborhood. Old houses. All these houses with these nice tree growth and bushes and plants, and man, that's nice. Yay!
Don't know.
Wave. Wait a minute. Wave at me, not you.
Wave. He's so sweet.
I love you, Pat. Check out the Christmas lights. That is beautiful. It's a permanent installation. She had a company come do that. That is just really cool. I bet she has different scenes and programs that she can do too. Wow. I found this in Jennifer's shed when Brad and I were out here hanging out. Not sure what it represents, but unique up on it. 100% pure Texas chili. Don't forget, it meets EPA emission standards. Good to see you, man. That's bread.
That's bread.
That's bread.
Everybody tastes like toast.
Yeah, bread tastes like toast. All right, that's been a blast. Jennifer, Pat, family, Miss Samantha and Hunter. What a great afternoon. Brad was there. Oh yeah. Courtney, Ben. Wonderful. All right, like and subscribe. Have a good night.
Good night, everybody.